In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a fraction in Microsoft Word. Let's start by getting your document ready. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the fraction to appear. This matters because Word will insert the fraction right at that spot, and it will move with your text as you edit the document. Next, head to the Insert tab at the top of Word and click the Equation button in the Symbols group. You'll see a special equation box appear, and a new set of tools will show up on the ribbon for working with math. This is Word's built-in math editor, designed to make fractions and other expressions look clean and professional. Inside those equation tools, click the Fraction menu. You'll see several styles. Stacked puts the numerator above the denominator with a horizontal bar, which is the most traditional and easiest to read in formal documents. Skewed places the numerator and denominator diagonally with a slash, which can save space and flow a bit better in a line of text. Pick the style that fits your layout and the tone of your document. Once the fraction placeholder is inserted, type your numerator in the top box and your denominator in the bottom box. If you need to move between the boxes, use the Tab key or the arrow keys to jump from the numerator to the denominator and back. If your numerator or denominator includes more than a single number, say an expression, Word will keep it neatly aligned within the fraction structure. You don't need to add extra spaces or punctuation. The equation zone handles formatting for you. When you're done, click anywhere outside the equation box to return to normal typing. Your fraction will stay formatted and act like a single object in your text, keeping the document tidy as you continue writing. If you only need simple fractions like 1/2 or 1/4, try typing them directly as 1/2 or 1/4. If auto-format is enabled, Word may automatically convert them to the single-character versions 1/2 or 1/4. Keep in mind that only a few common fractions have these special symbols, so less common ones won't auto-convert. If you don't see the conversion happen, or if you're working with custom fractions, the equation method is the reliable, professional choice. A quick tip for consistency. Once you choose a fraction style in a document, stick with it so everything looks uniform. And if a fraction ever appears too small or large, you can adjust its font size just like regular text to match the surrounding content. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can insert clear, polished fractions in Word quickly and confidently.